We'll discuss here briefly multiplication of polynomials, and we'll start with multiplication of two monomials. Let's look at the example. 2x squared times negative 3x cubed. Two monomials with the coefficient 2 and negative 3 and degrees are 2 and 3 respectively. Since this is multiplication, the order of multiplication doesn't matter, so what we'll do is we multiply the numbers first, and then we multiply powers of x. The numbers multiply give me negative 6, and the x's when multiplied, these are two exponents with the same base. So when we multiply two exponents with the same base, we add the exponents, and therefore the answer is negative 6x to the fifth. If we now want to multiply two polynomials, we'll have to use the distributive property repeatedly. But what it amounts to is that we'll have to take each polynomial, each term of one polynomial, and multiply by each term of the other polynomial. So we'll take 2x squared, the first term in the first polynomial, and multiply by each term of the other polynomial. Since we'll be multiplying basically two monomials in each step, then we'll use the fact that to multiply two monomials, we multiply the coefficients, and we repeat the x, and the exponent of x is going to be sum of the exponents. So this is going to be x to the fifth. 2x squared times 4x, we multiply coefficients, so it's going to be plus 8, and we add exponent of x, we'll end up with 3. 2x squared times negative 5, that's going to be negative 10 if we multiply numbers, and we'll add exponent. This is x squared plus x times x to the 0, so it's x squared. Now we'll take 3 and multiply the remaining term of the first polynomial by each term of the other polynomial. So 3 times negative 3x cubed is negative 9x cubed. 3 times 4x will be 12x, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. We'll have multiplication performed. Now we need to combine the like terms and write the polynomial in the standard form. The highest exponent of x is 5, therefore the degree of the product is going to be 5. We are looking for the terms with the x to the fifth. There is only one, so we'll just rewrite it. There is no addition or multiplication for those terms. Then we are looking for the terms with x to the fourth. There is none. Then we are looking for the terms with x to the third, and there are two terms, 8x cubed and negative x cubed. If we combine them, so subtract coefficient will be negative 1, and therefore we'll end up with negative x cubed. The next term will have x squared, and there is only one term, so we'll just rewrite it. And the next term will have x, and there is only one, 12x, and then a number again, only one, so it's 15. This is the product of those two polynomials.